So, hello everyone. Here is the some important books and authors that are frequently asked in UGC NET JARF examination and some entrance examination as well. So, let's start first books and their authors. So, the first is Walter Izard wrote the book Methods of Regional Science, and second is David Harvey wrote the book Social Justice and City. Third, Richard Hartson wrote the book Perspective of the Nature of Geography. Richard Hudson was an American geographer, and fourth is Strabo wrote the book Historical Memoir, and he also wrote the book Geographia in 17 volumes. He was a Roman geographer, and fifth is Firmanus who wrote the book Christian Topography, and seven is Solinus who wrote the book Rerum Memorabilium, and Regulus wrote the book La Terre. So next is eighth Carl Ritter. Carl Ritter wrote the book Erdkunde, and Humboldt wrote the book Cosmos. And 10th is R.J. Johnston, who wrote the book Geography and Geographers. And W.D. Thornberry wrote the book Principle of Geomorphology. And question asked about uh, Thornberry related to. So their contribution related to. So his contribution related to physical geography. So remember it. And 12 is D.M. Smith wrote the book Where the Grass is Greener. And 13 is David Harvey wrote the book Explanation Geography. 14 Peter Hackett wrote the book Geography Modern Synthesis. And 15 is P. James who wrote the book All Possible World. And D.M. Smith wrote the book Human Geography, A Welfare Approach. 70 is R. Pete wrote the book Modern Geographical Thought. And 18 is Hippocrates who wrote the book Airs, Water and Places. Hippocrates was a Greek geographer. And 18 Strabo wrote the book Geographia in 70 volume. Griffith Taylor wrote the book Geography in the 20th century. He also gave the concept of stop and go determinism. So 21 is F. W. Freeman wrote the book A Hundred Year of Geography. So next is E.C. Semple. It is very important. He is very important geographer, and he was an American geographer. He wrote the book. She wrote the book Influence of Geography, Environment, and also he gave the man is the product of Earth's surface. So G.P. Mars book was Man and Nature, and Ptolemy was a Roman geographer, and his book was Almagest or Geographic Syntaxis. And E. Huntington uh, give authored the book The Principle of Human Geography, Civilization and Climate, and Pulse of Asia. So Nicholas' book was Nations and Nationalists, and Ibn Khaldun uh, wrote the book Muqaddimah. So Frederick Ritchell wrote the book Anthropogeography and Political Geography. He was also considered as the father of political geography. So next is, and he also coined the term Lebensraum, which means living space. And their works was an introduction to the application of geography to history. And second work was the geographical distribution of mankind. So 13 was Al-Bruni, who wrote the book Kitab al-Hind. Ibn Hakal wrote the book Roots and Realm. And Otto Salter wrote the book Visible Content of the Landscape, and Van Richthofen wrote the book Major Work on China. Oscar Pascal wrote the book Das Askel. So Das Aslan book is very important. It asked two to four time almost. So remember it. And next is Aristotle wrote the book Meteorologia. He was a Greek geographer. And S.M. Ali wrote the book Geography of Puranas. And L.D. Stam authored the book Great Britain Use and Misuse of Land. 38 is R.E. Dickinson wrote the book Makers of Modern Geography. And 39 Jean Bruns, he was a French geographer, wrote the book La Géographie Humaine. So 14 was Heckerstein wrote the book Geographical Dimension of Innovations. And 41 was Gilbert White wrote the book Human Response of Two Floods. So he also gave the concept of mind mapping. So 42 was Steer wrote the book Unstable Earth. So it is very important. It was asked over and over again in UGC NET examination. So remember it carefully. So Van Richthofen wrote the book Geomorphology, And 44 is Ulrich wrote the book Speed and Purpose of Geography. So Thornbury wrote the book Principle of Geomorphology. And J.R.B. Prescott wrote the book The Geography of State Policies. 48 R.L. Singh wrote the book India, a Regional Geography. So R.L. Singh was the first geographer who uh, wrote about Indian geography. So 48 Vidal de Lavlas wrote the book Principle of Human Geography. He was a major proponent of possibilism and was a French geographer. And 49 was Edward Swiss wrote the book The Falls of Earth. And 15 Carl Sauer wrote the book The Morphology of Landscape. And Carl Sauer was a father of cultural geography. So with this we end all important books of human geography. So thanks for watching.